Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Silverblatt. I'm here to teach you how to get to your email account. You should be checking your email account daily, possibly twice a day, maybe once before you logged into your Zoom class, and then again at the end of your at the end of the day after your last Zoom class. That would be a good idea to check your emails during those times. You never know when you're going to get something from your teacher or from one of the specialist teachers or information from the principal. So it's a good idea to get in the habit of checking it once in the morning and once in the afternoon. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to go to Google Chrome. So you are going to go to Google Chrome. It's the one that looks like a Pokeball. It's got red, green, and yellow. You're going to double click on it, Pizza. It's going to open up. You can maximize the screen. Alright. This took me straight to Google. If it didn't take you to Google, you would just type in google.com. Press enter, and it takes you here. Now you may have a sign-in, you may have a circle with your initials, or you may have a circle with a picture, depending on how you have it set up. This shows that I am not logged in, and it may happen that you are not logged in at some point. You would have to re-log in. So if it's got your initials or your picture that you set up, you're in the right place. Make sure though that it's your account, not your mom's, not your dad's, not your brothers or sisters. Make sure it's your account. Okay, we're going to go into sign in, and we're going to find your email address. It's the one with your numbers and @bighello.us. So this one is mine. Okay, and I'm going to put in my password. And I'm going to hit next. You could also just press enter. It works the same way. Okay, now you can see my picture is there, and we have Gmail and images. So I would just click on Gmail, and it will take you to my Gmail account. Now, if you want to write a letter to somebody, you are going to type in, you're going to click compose, and you're going to start typing in the person's name. And you're going to find their name in the list. Always put in a subject. What is this about? So this is about lunch on Monday. Okay? Then you're going to write your message. Hi. Just checking that you will be at lunch on Monday. Okay? And then you're going to sign it and send it out. Okay? In this case, I am not going to send it out because I don't really want to see if Sarah's available for lunch, but it's just my way of showing how to get into Gmail and how to compose a note. Okay? Always sign your name to it. Always make sure you've got the correct person at the top. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I look forward to seeing you in our Zoom classes. Have a great day.